Hey, hi, good evening. Welcome back, Sri Krishna. Soft skills. Okay, so as you know, already we have discussed a lot of technical things and then general topics. Okay, today we are going to learn about a new thing. So that is the Azure DevOps. Okay, yeah. So before going to subject, so please, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and like it and share it and do bell icon for updated videos. Okay, yeah. So today agenda is Azure DevOps. So where you are working in another companies, or you may trying to attending the interviews, then so the Azure DevOps. So in your tell about yourself, then yeah, once I receive the data from the user, then I will create a user story in Azure DevOps portal. So based on that, then we will the estimate the complexity and the task, and although then we will let into. Okay, so what is Azure DevOps? So in some other companies, earlier we used to using Jira. Now also some of the companies are maintaining Jira, and then this is Azure DevOps. So these are the internal collaboration tools. So one each and either. So like Teams, then we will collaborate with each teams in either Microsoft Teams, and then as Jira. Jira is to collaborate with either in our team members and then client with along those. Then what you have done the work and what we are going to do, all those things. Then like this one of the Azure DevOps. Okay, yeah. So let's get started. So what is the Azure DevOps? So you see, as you can see, this is the Azure DevOps. So dev.azure.com. So developer and then operation will look at the continuous development. Okay, it is a one-stop shop solution for your entire software. So here plan and code and build, test, release, and deploy and operate and monitor. Okay, this is the cycling. So the SDLC, the software development life cycle, SDLC. So that is to enter to start first whatever you want to start. That is a plan. So this is we want to go. For example, if you want to travel something, then you want to book travel tickets, and then you see that like you will where will we stay, like that is a hotel booking, and then how to travel by car booking, like that. Then once you achieve your designation, then you will be able to plan. Okay, according to then code in the software, then we need to give the code. Where you're working in Power BI, then you will give the like coding or something, or developing either cleaning ETL tools, those. Then okay, I'll be going. The next thing is the build. Okay, so once you decide the code, then you'll go that build. Okay, so once you have built that one, you may test. Okay, either is the wrong, is the correct, if there are any bugs, so it will working perfectly or not. Once you have test done, then you will be going to release it. Okay, once you be released, then it will deploy. So like then we have the workspaces, so like different types of deployments in development to deployment, development pipelines, and then QA, and then production. Okay. Once you deploy that one, then operate, they will operate. So job run. Once they job run, they are maintaining. Once they maintain something, they want to change, again go to plan. So like that, this is a like processing. Okay. Here, it is a one-stop shop solution for the entire your software. Okay. Under the DevOps model, developer and operator. Earlier in the software industry, developer is the one part and the operation is the one part. So they may not together each. So once they will develop, operator will do. So no, I want to this one, I want to this one, like that. Now this is the to avoid that and to stop that and to encouraging to we work together like developer aspects and then operation aspects, then they will together. That is the dev apps. Okay, this is the concept. The Azure DevOps is a cloud-based application. It is also SaaS application. SaaS application, nothing but is a software as a service. It is an application. Okay, the cloud. We are using the cloud. So in the every company they are migrating the cloud. So because of it is a rent. For example, if you don't have that much of stuff to buy a car, so then you will go for a rent a car, whatever you want, whenever you want, then you will rent a car. So luxury cars, like you sophisticated cars, whatever the normal cars you want to go, and then you designate, you reach your station or you reach your airport, whatever, you will use that one. So like that in software, in the industry, then not now cloud is like ruling the government, like the ruling the software, the SSS, software as a application. Okay, yeah, this is about the DevOps. In the DevOps, so then we have a just a plugin and pay. Like then we will buy something. It's earlier days, then someone will come and then install something, everything is that. Nowadays only it is made, ready made. Then once you bought it, then anything like laptop or then any TV, whatever, then you plug and play. That's it. Nothing is there. Nobody will come and nobody for installation. So like it is a, like everything they already software as a service, then they had made it everything and they just give it to you, then you will use that only. Yes, got it? Yeah, it's a premium capacity concept. Okay, so there are the open source tools which we were not proprietary of anybody can take it and build it. So no propriety is there. So I'm the owner, I'm the boss. No, whatever you have, then you will get it and then you will use it. That's it. Still open source today. You lot of demand in that market. You know already. There's one of these, the tool, BA tool also. There's a Power BI, that is also one of the open source. So like that, how much the craze in that market. Okay, as the strategy, then we, like you see, for example, how much you use that, you pay that only. Earlier, if you should have to use that 2 GB data, then you pay 300 rupees per month. Now once Geo come into picture, today you are going to use unlimited for 300 rupees. Unlimited data you may use. Otherwise, you want to use 10 GB data, just you will pay the 20 rupees. You want to use the 15 GB data, then you will pay the 15 rupees. So now that is the free per premium. So for 5 users, it will be free. If you add any extra 1 user, then you want to pay. Up to 5 years, you will be using free. So like that. Okay, so when you log in the Azure, like app.powerbi.com, in the, so like Azure DevOps is there, one of the part is there. So then you will go on Azure DevOps. There you may log in, and once you may log in here, then I will little bit this slide, then I will open the Azure. Okay, yeah. So this is, we are having some organization, the client organization. So where you are working something X company, then you have the X organization. So every organization having the multiple projects, correct? For example, if you joining something Y company, then you Y company having the multiple projects. In each company, some of the organizations, and each organization having the multiple projects. In each project having the multiple epics. Each epic having the multiple user stories. Each user story having the multiple tasks. So this is the flow of the Azure DevOps. Each project here you see, each project having the content multiple epics. Each epic is the big user story, like Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita. Like they have a lot of data. They in that the each epic, you know the epic mean of that one. Okay, so the multiple feature there. So each feature containing multiple user stories, and each user story contains the lot more task. Okay, in every situation, your friends, when you're speaking with your colleagues, then yeah, I have a task. I could not able to do this task. I have completed this my task, like that. Okay, yeah, these are the required management. Understand that what we are going to use to user, then should be things what we are the planning. So the planning, how much, where, how you are developing that, what we are developing, doing that, what is going every should be the accountable is a person. When you engage in one project, then you may be a accountable person. Okay, yes. Now everyone should contribute that what success story. So if you are a team leader, if you are a team member, then you contribute your planning. So how to do plan, the deliverables, the project main goal is to deliver the project. As a manager, you should be understand the all of the epics and features, how to that the plan, and how to they are planning that delivery continuity there the projects. If the CEO of the project, then they may know the which projects are running on your company. So which managers are working on the dirt, they every day they will see, and then they will get the message from them, and then they will see about their project deals. Okay, so the daily stand-up meeting then we will be happening, and the daily scrum meeting and weekly scrum meeting and 15 days scrum meeting, and then monthly client meeting with the scrum. Okay, So in the meetings, what we are going to do? Every day we have here. So I'm going to attend a meeting. I'm in the meeting. So what I have to do? So once you get in a call, you attend the meeting. So as soon as then we what you have done yesterday, or what you have attended, what you have done this last week, okay, and what you are going to plan today. Okay, yesterday you have done this. What you are going to plan today? Yeah, I'm going to this plan. Okay, what we will be going to tomorrow? Okay, this is the way you think. If you apply these steps in your life, okay, what you have done in my previous, okay, now what you are doing to go, okay, in future, what you will plan future, okay, these steps you will apply your future, then it will come and it will work, okay, yeah. And if yeah, in future, yeah, I have faced many problems, otherwise abstracts of the blockers, like this is the intelligence, okay, any challenges. Yeah, when I was working on the task, actually they may not be get the correct data. So then when I while contacting with the team member, team leader, then they told me given some of that other task. So actually I might not able to complete that one. So because of that reason, you may explain. Yeah, that is the correct way. Then okay, then you put on the black. Okay, backlog. So then backlog, then we will do, someone will command, then we will join with you, and then they will work like that, that it will work. Okay, yeah, this is the way Azure DevOps then you will use. So in the earlier video, then we have spoken about that Agile methodology and waterfall methodology. In the Azure DevOps, then we will use the Agile methodology day by day. So today, what you have done, yesterday, what you have done, today, what we are going to plan, and tomorrow, what we will do. So this is about we are doing in the Azure DevOps. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So some of the project templates I'm showing you. This is the basic project and the SL project and the CMMI project and Scrum project. So in the each template having this type of epic issues task. So once you understand, once you go to the Azure portal, then you will see able to see those things. I will explain you. I will show you. So it's a little bit later. So these are the epics. These are the project things. Okay. Yeah. So just I'm going to my Azure. I have already opened. Okay. You see, this is the, as I show you, this is the Azure DevOps. What is this one? Azure DevOps. I am using this my account, and then I'm going to show you. This is the this one. Okay, this is the overview. This is the okay. You see summary, dashboard. I have spoken wikis and boards and repos, prints. Everything is there. So then we will discuss. We will talk about in the next class, in the next video. Then we will see the how it will work. Okay, just as of now, then you see the how to do the organization. Okay, how to create one project. This is the project. So each project has multiple epics like that. So then we will see the next video. Okay, how to create the task, how to create the multiple projects, and how to create the epics, everything we will see. Okay, thank you everyone. Hope you understand, and hope you learn this a new thing, DevOps. I think we will be going to end up the course. Then we will complete the Azure DevOps, how it will work each one by one. Okay, then we may have the lot of videos in the Azure DevOps. Okay, please, if you haven't subscribed my channel, so please subscribe, and you do bell icon for never miss the updated videos, because of we are going to enhance our channel, and then we are going to do lot of subject like SQL, and then we are going to Azure, in the Azure DevOps, and Azure Data Factory, and Azure Databricks. Okay, all the Azure families, then we are going to explore, and then Power BI already we have running. Okay, and so okay, please, okay, thank you very much for your support, kind.